right now, I believe ADA is at a big discount compared to where it should be. As always, this is not financial advice. Do not take it that way. But there's a reason why I say this. You know, when we look at what ADA price had been doing to start the year, we had this great rise, nice support. You know, everything was looking great. And then we got hit with this FUD from the SEC. Okay. It essentially cratered the price, right? We dropped down, we hit about 32 cents, dropping from almost 40 cents. And then we had the institutional sell-off across the broader crypto market, which had this, you know, huge breakdown to 22 cents, which was a big drop that I don't think anybody expected. And we've just had some struggles getting back up to this price point. Obviously, we had the spike that got us close when XRP was announced to be not a security, which was a great sign. But we've had trouble really kind of holding this range. And really the only reason that the price is here right now is because of that little bit of FUD from the SEC. But I'll tell you what, guys, the SEC seems to have forgotten about ADA and Cardano. There's been no mention of it for, 3 months now. And it's because I don't even think that they themselves believe ADA is in fact a security. I don't think anything's coming down the pipeline. I don't think we're going to hear anything about it unless the SEC ends up winning a case against Ripple, right? Unless they end up winning their appeal. And so what that means is that right now ADA is unnecessarily discounted from where it should have been price-wise. In fact, we may have broken out of this downtrend. We could have been sideways. We could have been somewhere up in here in no man's land. Even if we weren't, we'd probably be along somewhere around the top of this trend line, around 28 cents. So I think we're right now discounted compared to where we should be, which is a positive sign, right? I love unnecessary discounts. I love FUD because guess what? It gives me an opportunity to buy more ADA cheaper than I probably should be. Okay, if you bought ADA higher, this has been your opportunity to dollar cost average, to bring your average buy-in price down. Lord knows I've done that. Okay. If you truly fundamentally believe in what Cardano is building, these are some of the opportunities that you have a chance to take care of or to take advantage of, take care of. Right now, before anybody else truly knows what's coming with the Cardano ecosystem, this is your chance to essentially get in early. Even though it's been around for a while, it truly hasn't been, if you really think about it. Now, there is something else I want to talk about. Actually, I had a question about this. I forget the name of the person. I appreciate you for asking this. So they were talking about ADA being eventually delisted from Binance. Guys, it's not going to happen. Okay. Coinbase has taken a stance. Binance has taken a stance that they're not delisting these assets that had been alleged as securities. All right. What's actually happening is some of these pairs on Binance are going away. All these BUSD supported pairs are getting removed. And the reason why is because they're actually going to remove support for BUSD. So if you obviously have BUSD, you're going to want to move to another stable coin or buy some crypto assets or stuff like that, right? It's because obviously the SEC has come after Paxos, who, was the creator of BUSD basically. So that's kind of what's going on there. So I think there's big things coming down the line, guys. Obviously, there's still some uncertainty that's floating around the crypto market. If you guys haven't looked right now, obviously the fear greed index for BTC sits at about 35. We're in a substantially worse sentiment standpoint when it comes to the broader crypto market right now than we were a few months back. And rightfully so. Obviously, BTC is kind of teetering on the edge of like 26K right now. It's not making much movement. We're sideways. These times suck in the market. Historically, September is the worst month in crypto history. August is the second worst month in crypto history, but we're almost on the right side of that now. So there's good times coming. That's why I continue to accumulate. Even if we do end up seeing some more downside, I don't really care because I look more long-term anyways. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts, show your support below, and have a great rest of your Saturday. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.